You're generating income, creating fantastic content, and building a community. But let's be honest, tracking payments, sorting expenses, and handling the administrative side of being a creator can feel like a whole separate job. What if you could simplify the banking and finance of your creator business, freeing up more time to actually create? That's where Tide comes in. Tide is a popular business banking platform designed to make financial admin simple, fast, and easy. It's especially powerful for sole traders, freelancers, and small businesses, perfect for a growing YouTube creator. We're going to break down exactly how you can integrate Tide into your creator business to save time, stay organized, and professionalize your operations. The first step is dedicated finance. As soon as you open a Tide account, you're giving your YouTube business its own dedicated banking home. This is crucial for clear accounting. Stop mixing your ad revenue and brand deals with your personal current account. Keep it separate from day one. This makes tax time so much easier because all your business income and expenses are in one place. Next, let's talk about getting paid. When a brand pays you for a sponsored video, or when YouTube sends your ad revenue, provide them with your dedicated Tide account details. Not only does it look more professional than a personal account, but Tide also often provides instant notifications when money lands, giving you real-time clarity on your income flow. One of Tide's most powerful features for creators is its expense management. Think about all the things you buy for your channel: new equipment, software subscriptions, props, even travel for filming. With the Tide app, you can instantly categorize transactions and even snap photos of receipts, linking them directly to the payment. No more shoeboxes full of crumpled paper. This ensures you can easily track all your deductible business expenses throughout the year. If you occasionally work with other freelancers, a video editor, a graphic designer, Tide simplifies payments. And if you're a VAT-registered creator, Tide can help track that too. The entire platform is built around simplicity, ensuring the financial side of your content empire doesn't become a bottleneck. Finally, the real game changer is integration. Tide connects with popular accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. This means when it's time to do your bookkeeping or hand things over to an accountant, all your categorized transactions are seamlessly transferred, minimizing manual entry and maximizing accuracy. By using Tide, you shift from managing your money to mastering it, giving you the clarity and control needed to scale your YouTube presence without the financial stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.